We are on our way out to dinner, and look who's joining us!
Yay! She's back! And I had a fabulous girls' weekend. It was great to hang out with some friends and just relax.
In the sun,
yeah,
in summer, and all that goes along with summer and sun.
It was fun. Oh, do you think we can get in and out of V Pizza before it rains? It's looking a little like it may rain. Welcome to Jacksonville Beach, baby. Woo! Woo is right. Oh yeah, I forgot it's a weekend. So we're gonna have some entertainment while we eat.
To pay for parking.
Oh, we did have to pay for parking. Pay for parking! Oh, the crime, just to go to wonderful V Pizza.
Everybody was bad this weekend, so we decided we're just gonna finish off the weekend being bad.
And then start fresh tomorrow, right?
And if we're gonna be bad, we may as well be really bad. With really good pizza. Alright, so I know I've showed this before, but these pizza ovens are amazing. Directly from Italy. 950 degrees, cook our pizza in 2 minutes. So we got the 4 cheese, which is what we always get. And you can see we've already dug in, because it is so good. But I wanted to point this out, so you can see on their sign here, the flour, tomatoes, all the cheeses, prosciutto, pancetta, soppressata, and Calabria, probably pronounced that wrong, peppers, imported fresh from Italy weekly. Yes, they imported from Italy weekly. We came out from dinner and this storm is heading our way. We're gonna go down and look at the beach real quick, but we need to get in the car and get going. Otherwise we're gonna get caught in another nasty storm. Look at the lines that these clouds are creating. That's an amazing cloud structure coming across. It's gonna be nasty.
I was gonna say, look how fast it moves.
Yeah, it's moving.
It's moving fast. Since the storm's coming in, we're not gonna walk out in the pier today. It's very pretty with the sun setting. There's a few surfers out tonight, not too many. Wow. Storm looks very different down here.
Can we go on the lifeguard stand?
That dark cloud.
It's moving fast that way.
It is moving fast that way.
And it's like,
how did they make the lines?
it's other clouds going over and over each other.
Did you learn this at your National Park Ranger?
I learned it myself.
Oh, you learned it yourself, huh?
It's just little pieces of the clouds apart that's making lines.
Oh. Very cool. So what do you think? Should we stand here until the dark clouds come over here?
No!
Are you sure?
That looks like steam.
Like what?
That looks like steam coming.
Oh, it does. Look how fast that's moved over there. Wow. The birds are like going head into it. Crazy birds.
All this looks like smoke.
So, alright, it's moving over quickly. Let's go, guys. Look at those palm trees going nuts. Is this part of the tropical storm heading our way, you think?
No.
No, this is our typical
It's not even close.
crazy weather. Look at this. Palm trees are going crazy. delicious dinner and a very quick trip to the beach right before the storm hit. So
oh yeah, we had big plans to hang out at the beach for a while.
Yeah.
But,
so much for that, huh?
Yeah.
And look how crazy. Look straight ahead and it's clear. But this storm is moving fast. It's going to be over there.
It was clear when we walked out of the beach.
Let's say goodnight for now because we pretty much are going to head home, and then Tim's going to finish packing and I'm probably going to finish laundry. It's not really exciting. But thanks so much for always liking, commenting, and subscribing, and you know, just following our videos every single day. We know that, you know, there's so many things that you could be doing, and the fact that you're actually watching our videos and being part of our family, we really appreciate it. So we're out there following our dreams every single day. You guys get out there and follow your dreams. Keep on dreaming, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.